Sarah and I, once inseparable, now face the daunting task of rebuilding our lives separately. Divorce. It felt like the end of the world.
We decided on a trip, a journey through Australia.
They hoped to find solace, each in their own way, under the vast Australian sky.
I imagined finding solace in the quiet vastness of the outback.
And I hoped the vibrant coral reefs would rekindle my spirit.
They were both broken, lost in their own pain, yet united in their quest for healing.
As we boarded the plane, our hearts were heavy with uncertainty.
But as the plane soared above the clouds, a sense of liberation washed over us.
Coober Pedy, a town carved into the earth, was their first stop.
It mirrored our own emotional state, seeking refuge from the pain of our separation.
Yet the resilience of the people, thriving in such an unforgiving environment, was inspiring.
I found myself drawn to the raw, untamed beauty of the outback.
It was a silence that allowed her to hear her own thoughts, to confront her pain and begin the healing process.
I found solace in the vastness of the night sky, ablaze with stars.
Coober Pedy, with its underground homes and shimmering opal mines, became a symbol of their resilience.
It taught us that even in the darkest of times, strength could be found in unexpected places.
We were ready to face the next leg of our journey, stronger and more determined than before.
Kangaroo Island welcomed them with open arms, or rather with open paws.
The sight of kangaroos hopping freely, unfazed by our presence, brought a smile to our faces.
It was a reminder of the simple joys life had to offer, joys they had forgotten in the turmoil of their separation.
We spent our days exploring the rugged coastline, marveling at the dramatic rock formations sculpted by the relentless waves.
One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, we witnessed a pod of dolphins leaping playfully in the water.
It was a magical moment, a reminder that life was full of beauty, even in the face of adversity.
Kangaroo Island, with its abundance of wildlife and breathtaking landscapes, had awakened a sense of wonder within us.
They were rediscovering the beauty of the world around them, and in doing so, rediscovering themselves. The Whitsundays, a cluster of islands in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, was a stark contrast to the ruggedness of the outback.
They spent their days sailing through the islands, the gentle rocking of the boat lulling them into a state of tranquility.
Snorkeling amidst the coral reefs, we were mesmerized by the vibrant marine life.
The underwater world, teeming with life, was a stark reminder that there was a whole other world out there, waiting to be explored.
We realized that our problems, our pain, were but a drop in the ocean compared to the immensity of the world.
The Whitsundays, with its serene beauty, had calmed their troubled souls.
The gentle rhythm of the waves, the vibrant colors of the reef had seeped into our beings, replacing our pain with a sense of peace.
They were starting to heal, to let go of the past and embrace the present moment. Tasmania, with its rugged mountains and ancient forests, was their final destination.
As we climbed higher, each step took us further away from the pain of our past.
The air was fresh and invigorating, filling our lungs with new life.
Each towering tree, some centuries old, stood as a testament to the enduring power of nature.
Standing at the summit of Cradle Mountain, overlooking a breathtaking panorama of peaks and valleys, we felt a sense of accomplishment.
We had conquered not only the mountain but also our own inner demons.
Tasmania, with its wild beauty and challenging trails, had pushed them to their limits and helped them discover a strength they never knew they possessed.
The journey had been arduous, at times painful, but it had also been transformative.
They had faced their fears, confronted their pain, and emerged stronger, more resilient than ever before. Their journey through Australia was over, but the transformation they had undergone was just beginning.
We were no longer husband and wife, but we were forever connected by our shared journey of healing and self-discovery. The vast landscapes, the unique wildlife, the challenges we had overcome together had bound us in a new way.
Sarah, once lost in her grief, now embraced life with a newfound zest.
And I, once shrouded in sadness, now radiate a quiet confidence.
They carried the lessons they had learned on their journey with them. A reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope and happiness were always within reach.
They had rediscovered the beauty of the world around them, and in doing so they had rediscovered the beauty within themselves.
They had found healing in the most unexpected of places, proving that sometimes the greatest journeys are the ones that take us back home. As we wrap up this journey, we want to hear from you. Have you ever traveled after a significant life change? Share your story in the comments below. Which of these hidden gems would you like to visit? Do you think traveling can help in the healing process after a divorce? Why or why not? Your experiences and insights are valuable, and we encourage you to join the conversation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring journeys and stories. Do follow us on all platforms. Together, we can explore the world and discover the beauty within ourselves. Thank you for watching, and until next time, safe travels and happy healing. Thanks for joining us on this journey of rediscovery with Sarah and I. We hope their story inspires you to explore and find peace in travel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Hit that follow button. See you next time, wanderers. Remember, every end is just a new beginning. Whether you find solace in the quiet corners of the world or joy in unexpected encounters, there's always a path leading to a brighter horizon. Keep exploring, keep healing, and keep discovering the beauty within and around you. Until our next adventure, we wish you safe travels and endless inspiration. Stay curious, stay courageous, and most importantly, stay connected with the world and with yourself. Thank you for being a part of our community. See you soon, fellow wanderers.